Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This evening we are going to discuss the role of witches and supernatural in Macbeth. In the beginning of the 17th century, the English people believed in the evil spirits of various kinds. They disturbed the order of nature, produced storms, foreboded calamities and death, disseminated plague and famine. They were for the most part pictured as old, wrinkled women, the same kind as we come across in Macbeth. This being so, the authority of the time ordered them to be burned. This was the first important action against sorcery and witchcraft. In Macbeth, the supernatural serves three important purposes. Number one, it is part of the mechanism of the plot because the influence of the witches affects Macbeth's actions so much. Number two, it invests the whole theme with mystery and diffuseness and diffuses an atmosphere of awe and through which the tragedy looms more terrible. Number three, it serves in third, fourth as a measure of the working of his feelings. Both in Hamlet as well as in Macbeth, the supernatural is both objective and subjective. It is seen by Hamlet and others, but in the closet scene it is not seen by Gertrude. It is subjective here because it is seen by Hamlet alone. In Macbeth, it is seen by all, Macbeth and Banquo, etc. It is this subjectivity which renders the supernatural an object believed by majority of people. The supernatural has its impact on different characters differently. To Banquo, it has not the influence of the type we have on Macbeth. Banquo is not motivated to commit any inhuman act to achieve his goal revealed to him by the witches. Macbeth, on the other hand, is persuaded to make an end of the king's life. Initial hesitation being over, he ultimately plunges into the deed of murdering the king, and thereafter he continues this act until the end of the play. When Macbeth is reported to have been appointed Thane of Glamis and Thane of Cawdor, and the king hereafter, Banquo mutters that the witches know the future. This made him restless to know the future of his own children. Macbeth too becomes anxious to know his own future and the threat he seems to have for himself. The witches gives a quibbling answer, the implication of which proves to be quite different from what it was intended. The supernatural thus imparts interest to the plot, the curiosity of the readers is heightened, and they become interested to know what happens in future. It is this curiosity which heightens the interest of the play, and it becomes successful on the stage. Thank you very much.